Hello, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Hopefully, you are enjoying good health. Today, we are going to start this topic 2D shapes. This is the second lesson for 2D shapes. In our previous lesson, we identify some shapes, like we learn about polygons and then different types of the polygons, including regular polygons like squares. We learn about the pentagon, hexagon, and heptagon, octagon. Also, we learn about the parallel lines. If you have any doubts about these topics, so please, before starting this topic, I would suggest you to go back, watch the video about the vocabulary words used in the previous lesson, then move on to this lesson. So this lesson will be pretty easy for you all. Let's begin. Today we are going to do our learner book work here, and we will do the learner book page 67 questions. The first question is, here are 7 shapes. You can see right now 7 shapes A, B, C, D, E, F and G are shown here, and we have to tell which shapes are hexagon. Remember, in our last lesson we talk about hexagon. Hexagon has 6 sides. So which of these shapes is having 6 sides? If I look at A is having 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 sides only. So A is not a hexagon. If I would look at B, B is having 1, 2, 3, 4 sides only. So B is not a hexagon. If I would look at C, C is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 sides. So yes, C is a hexagon. So I will write C is a hexagon. Looking at D, D is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 sides. So yes, I would say D is also a hexagon because it's having 6 sides. Looking at E, E is having 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 sides. So E is not a hexagon. If I would look at F, it's having 1, 2, 3 and 4 sides only. So it's not a hexagon. Looking at G, it's having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 sides. Again I will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So it's not a hexagon. So out of these all 7 shapes, 2 shapes C and D are hexagon, other are having the different number of lines, so we cannot say them hexagon because the hexagon will have 6 sides only. So the shapes that were having the 6 sides are C and D. That's why we will say these are hexagons. Next question is, name these quadrilaterals. It has 4 right angles. The sides are not all the same length. No, 4 right angles can be in either a rectangle or it can be in a square. But if we look at the square have all 4 sides equal. So it means the possibility of the square is not there, because the question is saying the sides are not all the same length. So it means the other shape that is having the 4 right angles is a rectangle, and in this one all 4 sides are not equal but opposite sides are equal. So I would say that the shape is a rectangle. Next question is, it has 2 pairs of opposite sides that are equal in length. No angle is a right angle. So that shape is called a parallelogram. In the parallelogram, the 2 pairs of opposite sides are equal in length, but no angle is a right angle. So I can say it's a parallelogram. See, it has 4 lines of symmetry. The angles are all a right angle. If you remember the lesson about the lines of the symmetry, so square is having the 4 lines of symmetry. The This is the first line of symmetry. A square has 4 lines of symmetry, as you can see here. 2 lines of symmetry, 3 lines of symmetry. This is the 4th line of symmetry because square has 4 lines of symmetry, and its all angles are right angles. So I would say the shape is square. The next one is here are 6 shapes labeled A to F. You can see here we have A, B, C, D, E, F. These are different shapes, and using this shape we have to complete this table given below. We have to copy and enter the letters to show the properties of each shape. The first one is saying that has at least one right angle and only one pair of equal sides. And second one here, if it don't have any right angle and only one pair of equal sides. So here is a solution manual that I have shown you so that the length of the video will not increase. You can watch it. In case of any question, you can ask me. Thank you.